कल्याण हो, सभी जातियों का कल्याण हो, ये सोच कर जब हमने संविधान, हमारे जो पूर्वज हैं उन्होंने संविधान बनाया तो सोचा गया था कि किस तरीके से देश का विकास होगा और जो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है, जो भेदभाव है वो कम हो जाएगा। क्लास रखे गए, वो क्लास थे, अपर क्लास था, ओबीसी था या बीसी भी बोलते हैं, एससी था, एसटी था, अलग अलग क्लासेस में लोगों को बांटकर अलग अलग स्कीम्स चलाई गई जिससे उनका वेलफेयर हो सके। लेकिन हुआ क्या, आजादी के 75 साल के बाद भी अब भी पूरे देश के अंदर 5% लोग सारी सत्ता की मलाई चाट रहे हैं। 5% लोगों के पास सारी वेल्थ है और कुछ जो अदर जो सेगमेंट है 95% वो अभी भी अपने हक और अधिकार के लिए लड़ रहा है। मैं बात कर रहा हूँ कि जंतर मंतर पर आज जो डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन है वो इसीलिए हुआ है, ये लोग आए हैं, ये कह रहे हैं कि 52% ओबीसी को दिया जाना चाहिए रिजर्वेशन, जो अभी 27% है उसको 52% किया जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि उनकी जिसकी जितनी संख्या भारी उसकी उतनी भागीदारी की बात कर रहे हैं ये लोग कह रहे हैं कि समाज में जो तबका पिछड़ा रह गया, जो तबका डेवलप नहीं हो पाया, उसको रिजर्वेशन के माध्यम से अपलिफ्ट किया जाए, उठाया जाए। और बहुत सारी मांगे इनकी, कास्ट सेंसस की बात कर रहे हैं ये लोग, ये कह रहे हैं जातिगत जनगणना, जो अभी खबर आई थी बिहार में नीतीश कुमार ने जिसको लागू किया, पूरे देश में लागू होनी चाहिए। 1931 में कास्ट सेंसस हुआ था अंग्रेजों के टाइम में, उसके बाद नहीं हुआ। तो पता ही नहीं है कि किस समाज की कितनी संख्या है। जब संख्या नहीं पता होगी तो कैसे पॉलिसी बनेगी, किस तरह से सारी चीजें आएंगी, इसी सिलसिले में हम बात कर रहे हैं। सर, वेयर आर यू कम फ्रॉम?
From Chennai.
From Chennai. It's too far from Delhi. What the cause, what the inspiration which comes?
वो इंडिया में सोशल जस्टिस का bastion is only तमिलनाडु।
सर इधर देख के
वो इतना समय पूरा from the day hundreds of years our leaders only speaking for the social justice, because majority population of the Tamil Nadu is only backward class. So that's why Thandai Periyar has created the awareness. That's why people are aversion towards the announcing the name of Thandai Periyar also. That is the revolution he has made it.
Tamil Nadu is the land of Periyar. You are saying that social justice or social upliftment is start from the Tamil Nadu, as you say. What do you think? India will consider Tamil Nadu as a role model?
Sure, 100%. Today, in legislature, majority population, more than 90% are only backward people. That MLAs, MPs, here who represent parliament also, OBC people. Actually, in ministry, not a single dominant caste, only OBC people and the SC people. That
In
is
Tamil Nadu.
In Tamil Nadu.
But in India,
It is other way. वो first NDA government में not even one from OBC or SC है. वो recent का second tenure only they changed. I am talking about our
central government.
about the Modi government. First government, not a single people was there in. I'm talking as a union minister.
I'm talking about the prime minister. He comes from the OBC class. How can you say like this?
Real OBC will be more concerned about the OBC.
There is real and fake OBCs are there.
That I leave it to you. Actually, the country is ruled by the caste, not by the political party.
Okay.
Today, country is not ruled by political parties. Whichever the party comes, the ruling by the only dominant caste.
Okay.
That they are the controlling bureaucrats. Today, you go for that.
What about the Congress? Rahul Gandhi said that his government. So what do you think?
Now he realized the real power of the OBC. That's why they changed the policy.
Nobody want to give the right to the OBC. Even Congress or BJP.
It is a shame, even after 75 years, there is no ministry for OBC in India. When we claim that we are more than 50-60%.
You want separate ministry? Separate ministry is same.
We are
celebrating the Amrit Mahotsav after 75 years of independence. But till now, there is no improvement for the OBCs. How can they celebrate this Amrit Mahotsav? So
more
that's
than
why-
50% population is OBC, as you
Yes,
said.
yes.
More than 50% population is OBC. But you are saying that in judiciary there should be reservation.
They are afraid of conducting a caste census because of the fear that they will be exposed.
Okay.
As you said, that not even 5 to 8% they are controlling this country.
Only 5%.
5 to 8%.
5 to 8.
upper class won't, upper class people won't control the entire nation.
Okay.
They are obviously submit करके एक lockdown.
Because they don't want the OBC issues to be developed. So
You think that the reservation is uplifting the OBC? You think?
Actually,
Because-
OBC is strong mean India will be strong. When OBC is weak, OBC majority people didn't get any welfare or any benefit or prosperity. India will not get prosperity. Only selective group of people, they are having the wealth, everything
Accumulated.
accumulated. And moreover that, it should spread. It should go down the line. Still, millions of people in rural, semi-urban, they don't have the what is the right.
One question I have to ask to you. Suppose you are saying that the reservation can uplift the OBC, but there is very less jobs. Everybody is privatization, private sector is everywhere is private. Now government is doing the privatization. Government is selling the government PSUs. All are there. How
That's why.
how it helps
That's why
you?
first issue protect the public sector.
Okay.
They are selling all the public sector.
Okay.
What has been accumulated for these 75 years. This government is selling everything. Then there is no scope for the reservation of our OBC people. How?
You are saying this is the indirect way to
Eliminate the
or
reservation.
abolish
Abolish the
reservation.
criminal. reservation.
It's
That's
an
all.
indirect way.
Indirect.
From the backside.
Yeah.
It is indirect way.
Yes.
This is the indirect way.
This is the back
Yeah,
from
yeah.
the backside government
Backside,
will,
yeah.
want
When
to-
they are withdrawing the government sector, then
But reservation is not a solution, sir. The community should uplift themselves.
You are very much correct. They have to allot fund, sufficient fund upliftment for the OBC. Actually, here in you know that already who is the author for EWS? Nobody is author. Nobody asked. Already they are 90%. Actually, they removed the class of proportionate reservation in EWC. They removed it. Whereas here in our OBC, they have the proportionate reservation. But that is not happening. Before that, they have made the subcategorization of the OBC.
One more thing. In BC, there is classification A, B, C, D. So there is there is different types of systems, and the people are fighting each other. So reservation will cause a fight also.
No. That's what I'm saying. No.
Wait a minute.
is to reach the downtrodden people of OBC.
But there is in BC, in Telangana, there is ABCD category.
Yes.
ABCD
Yeah, it is
category.
there.
Or people are fighting each other.
No, not fighting. They have every separate group. A group,
But
some percentage. B group, some percentage. C
The
group,
groups are
No.
demanding more percentage. na?
This is created by the political parties and politicians, not by the people.
People are not.
Because-
People are agree.
People are agreeing. People are
Some
happy.
people demand ST,
People are
some
happy.
people demand SC, some people demand different groups. They are always fight in Manipur.
Today, see that Manipur is burning. Why?
Why?
Because of the politician, not by the people.
Because people are demanding for ST status for Meitei community. That's why there is the reason.
Nobody has that time because of the illusion. Illusion has been created by the court also.
How you identify caste that is weaker? Because in OBC some are very strong caste, and in OBC there are very weak caste. So it is very difficult task because the caste who have more number, who have more power, will get more reservation.
That's why already we have separated into groups.
Okay.
So today on the in that, so whoever in that comes that group, so they will have some percentage. Government posts or educational institutions, all these. That is getting distributed.
One more thing.
No,
he
here,
is- he is saying that
now we are fighting for the employment and against the privatization, okay. Basically, they are dividing the people in that they are not providing the proper education to the OBC people.
Okay.
If they get the education, they will get the knowledge. They know the awareness. They can decide
What other types of methods by which OBC can uplift? Reservation is the one method. last 75 years it doesn't work so well.
Okay, you are not in the position to do employment. You give free education to all the OBC people.
Free education
Yes,
to
yes.
all the people,
This is the better solution.
free justice, and free hospitalization. That should be given to all the people. Then automatically
there is no problem.
There is nobody will
Everybody is
demand the
happy.
reservation. If it is equally distributed to all the people.
What today in judicial, that who the dominant caste having the majority there, same way OBC, SC, ST position comes number. There is no need for reservation. The day now almost 33, 35 Supreme Court judges are all dominant caste. Whereas the same situation comes for that the majority population of this OBC comes no, there is no need for reservation.
You are saying that Tamil Nadu method will be good for whole India.
Yeah, that model is the role model for whole of India. That's why they are afraid of Tamil Nadu politics.
सीधा सीधा कह रहे हैं कि तमिलनाडु का जो मेथड है, जिस तरीके से ओबीसीज का अपलिफ्टमेंट तमिलनाडु में हुआ, पूरे देश में वो मेथड इंप्लीमेंट किया जाना चाहिए। 52% रिजर्वेशन की बात कर रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा संख्या है ओबीसी की और सबसे दबे पिछड़े आज वही हैं। कह रहे हैं कि जो संस्थान है, बड़े बड़े संस्थान, उनमें 5% लोगों का पूरी तरीके से